Hello friends, myself Akash Kumar. Good afternoon. I want to discuss on one topic like how can we fit our body and how can keep fit our brain. So guys, if we are suffering with any pain like emotionally and physically, we can go to gym. Gym is best. Gym is the best remedy for all type of problems. Pain also, I mean pain. We can do their heavy exercise, light exercise, medium exercise, depend on our capability. So guys, gym is a very important part of our life, daily routine. If we return from gym, then whenever we have time, we can go there for exercise, because what for we are earning. Tell me, we are earning for our body, our family. So I think everyone should go to gym and do their exercise, depend on their capability, heavy weight, medium weight, light weight, heavy exercise, light exercise, medium exercise, depend on person capability. And I also purchased, I tell you, gym gloves. My old gym gloves very weird and a few points is torn also. So we purchased this because without gym gloves, our palms skin, our palm skin may be damaged chance. But you are watching, my palm skin is fully normal. So gym gloves is very necessary equipment for protecting our palm and fingers. So I purchased this through Flipkart, and also I purchased one book from through Flipkart. Oh, I remembered one thing, why books. Actually, as we think, gym is very important and very good for keeping our body fit fully from neck to toe. We can be fit by gym. But if we want to fit our brain, our head, then what to do? So it's many solutions, like if we are overthinking at a few points, our any old memories, we are depressed by any old bad memories, and we want to move on from that kind of memories, then we have to give one way to our memories. We don't want to disturb our old emotions, old memories. We have to turn from there and keeping busy our mind in other thing, and we can keep busy our mind in few people like music, they listen song. Few people keep dance in heavy bass, and few people do pranayam, meditation. According to me, for keeping busy brain, not only for keeping busy brain, but also keeping healthy, keeping fit to brain, we have to involve ourselves in few things which we like more, like hobbies. We have to busy ourselves in our hobbies, like our hobby is singing, then we should listen singing through mobile phone, keep earbud in our ears and start some good songs and depend on taste. Few people people taste like old songs, few romantic song, people like pop song. So whatever you like, you can listen, because because if you will be busy in your old memories, your mentally peace will be destroyed, and all time we will feel depressed ourselves. Our mind will not proper work, we will not take proper sleep in night. So if we want to move on from our old bad time, so we have to keep alive our hobbies. So I have also many hobbies, but I like now I started new hobbies, because if we want to productive our mind, ourselves, then reading books is also is good. So this book I purchased through Flipkart, and its opposite reflection, so you are not able to read it, but I tell you its name. This book name, योर सोल प्लान यानी अपनी आत्मा की योजना, वॉट आवर inner mind wants, what is inner voice of ourself. And downside written, discovering the real meaning of the life you planned before you were born. It's mean हिंदी में आई टेल यू इन हिंदी, जब हम जन्म लेते हैं उससे पहले जो हमारी सोल होती है, आत्मा होती है, उसने कुछ प्लान किया होता है। तो इसका मतलब डिस्कवरिंग द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ द लाइफ यू प्लान्ड बिफोर यू बर्न, मतलब जन्म लेने से पहले हमारी सोल ने कौन सी योजना बनाई, तो उसका वास्तविक मतलब हमें समझना है। इट्स राइटर रॉबर्ट स्क्वार्ज, ही इज ऑल्सो इंग्लिश राइटर, एंड दिस book is in fully English. You can see all pages. So guys, this book is fully English. I will try to read it, and after completion of this book I will tell you what result I got from it. It's fully extort, I tell you. So guys, thank you for watching my blog.